John Muir Trails, Kettle Moran State Forest here in Wisconsin. It's a good facility here. After here, the parking lot, they got bathrooms and a wash rack. And here's the entrance to the trailheads. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. We're gonna go down, you know me, the beginner's loop. This loop was designed with the beginner mountain biker in mind and consists of a relatively short, flat, wide grass loop. Master basic skills before hitting the longer, harder dirt loops. So, into the beginner loop. Went from dirt to grass. Whoa. A little narrow through here. This trail is basically just flat with grass, hard packed, and pine needles. Just a lot of lefts and rights on a flat surface. Just talked to all these guys about the trails here. There's like a group of like 40 of them. They're all over the place. Like I said, always talk to the locals. They'll tell you where to go and hopefully not crash. Thanks guys.
No problem. Yep.
All right, we're at the trailhead. Got brown, white, red, orange, green, and blue. Mountain bikers to the left and hikers to the right. And you know you're going the wrong way because there's a whole bunch of do not enter signs. That was really nice meeting all those guys, giving the lay of the land. Where the trail markers really start, straight ahead, white, orange, green, and blue, and to the right, brown and red. That's us. There we go, just my speed. Flat, couple roots, some rocks, nothing extreme on this path though. It's a gorgeous day out up here in Wisconsin. It's 75 degrees out. And now we come to a little fork in the road here. To the right, white and brown. Then you got red to the left, hard to the right, easy, red and white. All right, let's continue after we read everything there. Pretty much this is the whole trail, just a lot of turnings, some slight elevation, but flat, few roots, and just a lot of left and right turns through the trees. Yeah, we're starting to get into some bigger rocks and bigger roots, more hills. I guess that might have been the end there. Yep. Heading back out to the pavilion. Even though I'm a beginner intermediate, let's go down it until I just decide to say I've had enough. So we'll take a chance. All right, I made it through that skill. we'll just have a look as we go on down here. Oh, and here's the course. One way, stay on, no cut throughs. So here's like a, you can do a go around here. There's a bridge. A couple other bridges here. And then jump off the end. I'm glad they had these little cut throughs. I might try one, I don't know. Not bad. Whoa, look at this thing. That is crazy. All right. Back around. Uh-oh, I don't think I can cut through here. Oh, yeah, I can. All right. I might try a couple. There's an exit and back to the loop. So, let's try one here. All right. All right, I was happy with one. Let's try another one. Oh, all right. I gotta remember to keep pedaling on some of these. That one's more speed. I didn't have enough speed. I'm gonna go for this one. Oh my God, I can't believe I made that. But I did. We'll try this one. Whoa, it gets narrow. Yes, he made it. All right, I'm gonna exit. I don't want to push my luck. Oh, look what they did to me. I didn't do that right, but I had a little bit of everything from really easy to, of course, extreme. Of course, I didn't do that, and I was proud of myself. I did a couple of the skill challenges that really surprised me. Maybe I'm getting a little better. I think I'll stay on the regular trails. And they have a little donation box here to help out keep the trails maintained. And after your ride is over, they got a little hosing station. That was nice to have. What a feature here. Well, just before you hit the trails or after you hit the trails, either way you should stop by here. There's a general store and backyard bikes. You can come over here and rent bikes. Backyardbikes.com. LaGrange store, they have a wine here, beer, sodas, Gatorades, chips, ice cream, all kinds of delectables. And certain times of year they said you might want to take some bug spray with you. And off to the right of the general store is the bike shop. A little bit of everything here. You can buy a bike. Jerseys, helmets.
That's how you can check our inventory of our rentals and
Yeah.
sales fleet out there as well.
They have a bike shop in here. Get some repairs. And your name is?
Pete,
Pete. Come see Pete.
we'd love to have you.
There's the group I met earlier. They rented bikes from here. They got a huge rental section. of bikes to rent.
The hardtails we rent out for 40 bucks for the day. We also have plus bikes, which is 27.5 plus or 29 plus, same rate. Full suspensions go for 60 bucks for the day, and we have plus versions, 27.5 or standard 29. We also have Farley 7 Spaddies. We have them in the 3.8 inch or the big 4.5 inch. We can set them up anyway you like.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, that big group is leaving that I met. They're all heading home. Here's all their helmets. Oh, got my Gatorade. That was a really good day of biking. That park was really nice. And the store here. So if you're ever out this way, come stop by. They have a lot of things to see and do. That was a great trail that I rode on. Of course, like I said, as I always do, beginner, intermediate, or below. And I even tried some of the skills there, which surprisingly, I did a few. So if you're ever in Wisconsin here, I highly recommend this area. The general store was great. And of course, the bike shop with all your biking needs. And that's gonna do it for me. So on that note, Traveler out.